Well, good morning from Vielha in Spain. We stayed here, the Hotel Vielha Backwea. We got to our hotel at about 8 o'clock in the evening. We had a fantastic day riding the various cols of the Pyrenees. I would definitely stay here again. This is a lovely place to stay, very quaint, lots of bars and restaurants, all geared up for the hikers, the whitewater rafters and the skiers. So they're getting ready for ski season at the moment. But we had a day off in Vielha, 2 nights at the hotel and a day off the bikes. That allowed us time to have a lay-in. I could download some footage onto the laptop and sort that out. The hotel that we stayed in had a swimming pool and a spa, so the lads enjoyed that. We went out for a few beers during the day. I had a little bit of an afternoon siesta, and then we went out for a little bit of pasta at a restaurant last night. A bit more expensive than everywhere else that we've been to. It's probably one of the most expensive meals that we've had, and that was all in all I think it was about 30 euros for a bowl of pasta and of a glass of wine. 5 degrees this morning, so we're just taking it a little bit steady. I think the bike's saying 8, so take it a little bit steady this morning. Let the bikes warm up, let the tyres warm up, and then today looks like another cracking route, so another long day today. We are on the C28 heading round the base of Andorra, up in the mountains, up at the ski resort, back into some awesome twisties. Some quite tight roads as well up here, some of those famous 180-degree switchbacks. Follow them downhill now and see the road snaking all the way down in the distance down there. This is a great little road from outside Vielha. Trying to concentrate on your line, trying to concentrate on the bend, and also trying to concentrate trying to take in the scenery, because you don't want to miss anything. It's just so lovely around here. Right, so that's the first set of mountain passes done, and I shall crack on, get a couple of these fast roads done, wait for Richard to catch up. Welcome back everybody, we are on the N260. This is the road that Richard wanted to ride so desperately. He said it was a long, sweeping, fast road all the way through the mountains, snaking at the bottom of Andorra. So here we are. Some good views. There's a bit of a cloud inversion on the views down into the valley, and then the road snakes all the way round to the other side. So gets to a point in the valley and then goes around the other side of this mountain. That's unnerving, that. I'm just out of my peripheral vision on the right hand side. It just drops severely, and all of a sudden I'm not going to explain what happened because it'll be a bit rude, but my nether regions decided to contract somewhat, and yeah, I had a little bit of a panic moment then. That start realisation that there was just nothing. Oh, here we go again, look. Oh dear. We just lost concentration all of a sudden. This road has just turned into one of the greatest roads we've ridden today. Even though it's still the N260. barely getting out of second gear, but just opening it up, then banging straight into a right and left hand turn. What a great little road this is. Got a grin slapped all over my face. Col de la Crueta. No wonder there's a lot of cyclists on this route today. Another col, this time near Andorra. Oh wow, oh wow, look at that. I can't look and see what road this is on my sat nav, but we are following this cliff top all the way around. There was a castle and everything like that on the hillside, and then down below we've got something out of medieval times down in the village below. Big clock tower, lots of terracotta roof tiles. Phenomenal little valley. It's gone up 22 degrees. I need to take this mid layer off. This is a great road. Still can't read it off my sat-nav, but on the sat-nav the road just it's like a big squiggly line across my sat-nav. It's another one that's just waved halfway through the apex. I don't know how they do it. Oh, they must ride these roads though every day. We've got fallen rocks as well from this cliff face. Just seen a couple of them big boulders in the road, so you don't want to be hitting one of them. Oh, that's nice. I've just got the vents open. I'll bring that back end around, that's it. When you're concentrating so much on these bends, it really takes it out of you. Just, it's exhausting in a good way. In a good way. I don't want this to end. Wow. But I like the Adriatic Sea. It's beautiful, like emerald, crystal blue. Like almost like a sea, but beautiful. Oh mate, just phenomenal. Let's see if we can get a view over this bend here. Take it slow. See if there's anything that opens up here. Look at that. Stunning. Moses. Look at that. That's that quarry that we've just been riding the road all the way around. Let's go and see what this is about on the other side. I was just riding around there, around that road there. We came through a series of tunnels. And there's like a big dam. Oh. That's some out of James Bond, GoldenEye, where Pierce Brosnan jumps off the dam. And they've got a bungee cable on their way. I reckon it is, you know. I reckon it is that. What's the compressor? I'll have to have a look at the James Bond one. Wowzers. So you can actually bungee off there then. Stunning. Beautiful. What a place to stop. Back on the bikes after stopping at that phenomenal dam. Some great views. Just parked the bikes up, had a bit of orange juice, some water, took the jackets off for a bit and just chilled out. Back on the road again. Loads of these little tunnels in and out the mountain. Takes me back to my Norway days. Just saying then, I was glad of the pace slowed down as we were coming round that quarry road. up to the dam. You can be on it, you know, like 78%, but if you keep doing it all the time, you're just gonna frag yourself and knacker yourself out. So it was welcomed, the pace just slowing a little bit. Much needed rest at the dam just there. So we're at 10 to 4. Got sat nav still says another 2 hours to run. Got us getting in at 10 to 6. What a lovely, lovely day. Beautiful, gorgeous day. On our way to Tremf, or Tremf.
Well, welcome back to the channel. Just had a mishap, just pulled into petrol station, Repsol Vesela, and the chain's just snapped as I've pulled out the junction of the petrol station. The European breakdown cover is going to come pick me up within the hour, and then they're going to try and see if somebody can fix the chain, and if nobody can fix it, it's a Saturday afternoon late. Nothing will be open on Sunday, so it looks like it's going to be a Monday morning fix at a garage. At the moment, the trip's just come to an end because of the Yamaha again. So what I'll do is I'll keep you all updated with the progress on the chain.
So this is the Uneasy rider. How are you feeling, Neil? How are we feeling, Paul?
Better now than I was before.
Would you like to explain what's happened today?
Came out of the petrol station and the chain snapped. Luckily it was slow speed, it wasn't in the mountains on a bend because that could have been messy. Recovery truck has come out to pick the bike up, and the bike went on the back of the recovery truck, and he's taken us to a karting place where there's a mechanic. There's a mechanic that used to be an ex-BSB mechanic apparently at Donington Park, and he's going to fix the chain for me. So hopefully it'll be alright.
So I'm just riding the bike at about 50 kilometers an hour. We've just set off from the karting place, just taking it very, very steady. The mechanic was just saying, just keep an eye on that split link. He said, so ride about 50 kilometers, then get off the bike and have a look at the split link, and just keep having a look at it. And if it looks like it's coming apart, then stop, don't ride. So the good news is it's rideable and it's fixed. So right, I'm going to love you and leave you, and then I'm going to try and get this back to the accommodation, and then I'll update you later. Thanks guys, catch you later, bye.